clean and unclean food. The Lord spoke to Moses, saying, say to them, speak to the children of Israel, saying, are the living things which you shall eat among all the animals that are on earth. Whatever animal has a parted hoof that is split hoofed, and chews the cud among the animals, that one you shall eat. Nevertheless, these you shall not eat after those that chew on the cud of those that have been divided hooves. The camel, because it chews on the cud that does not have a divided hoof, is unclean to you. The rock badger, because it chews on the cud and does not have a divided hoof, is unclean to you. The hart, because it chews on the cud but does not have a divided hoof, is unclean to you. The pig, though it does have a divided hoof that is split hoofed, yet it does not chew on cud, it is unclean to you. You shall not eat of their flesh, and their carcasses you must not touch, they are unclean to you. Those you shall eat off of those in the waters. Whatever has fins and scales in the waters, in the seas and in the rivers, those you shall eat. All those do not have fins and scales in the seas and in the rivers, from all the movings in the water, from any living thing that is in the waters, they are desertable to you. They shall be desertable to you. You shall not eat of their flesh, and you shall detest their carcasses. Whatever has no fins or scales in the water is detestable to you. These shall detest among the birds. They shall not be eaten. They have detestable the groven vultures, the bearded vulture, and the black vulture, the kite and the buzzard, any kinds of ravens, any kinds of eagles, owls, or short-eared and long-eared owls, and the hawks of any kind, and the little owls, the coordinates, and the screech owl, and the white owl, the scope owl, and the oprys, and their storks, the heron, on any kind of hoopie, and the bat, are flying insects that walk, move on all fours, shall be detestable to you. Yet these you may eat of very flying insects that creep all on their fours. These have joined legs above their feet, with which on hop on the ground. Even these you may eat, even the locusts of any kind, the black locusts of any kind, the crickets of any kind, the grasshoppers of any kind. But all the other flying insects that have 4 feet shall be detestable to you, and by these you shall be unclean. Whoever touches these carcasses of these shall be unclean until the evening.